We'll guide you through how to make a splash potion of weakness to cure a zombie villager. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, you're going to need a crafting table and a brewing stand. Right click on the crafting table and get yourself 3 bits of glass. You can get that from smelting sand in a furnace. Now you've got 3 glass bottles. You need 1 blaze rod, which you can get from blazes for blaze powder. And then what you needed to do is kill a spider and get a spider eye, and you need to go and get a piece of sugar, which you can get from sugarcane, and put that in a crafting table, and a mushroom as well, and you'll get a fermented spider eye. Then what you need to do is go and fill up these water bottles, and come to the brewing stand and go and place them in it, like so. Go and put in the blaze powder, and then what you need to do is go and put the fermented spider eye in. You now have a potion of weakness. To make it a splash, put in gunpowder, which you can get from a creeper. And there we have it, and then all you need to do is go and splash this on the villager, like so. And then what you need to do is go and get a golden apple, so put an apple in the crafting table and surround it with gold ingots, like so. And you then need to go and give it to the zombie villager, like so. And as you can see, we now have these gold effects, and go and wait. A minute or 2 later, and the zombie villager will turn to a villager. If you found this useful, then please leave a like.